Voice is breaking.
கேக்குதாப்பா? கட்டாய் வெளில போயிடு. ஓகே, ஜஸ்ட் இல்ல. ஓகே, டிஸ்ப்ளே. So now, can you able to see the data here of you? U is equal to U, V is data is given there. It is the case of convex lens. Okay, this clear for you now? Clear இருக்கா? இருக்கா இல்லையா?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So first data is U value is 20 and V is 60, and second data 24 to 40, and third is 30 30, and fourth value is 40 40, this is 40 24, and fifth value is 70 12. So from this given data, you want to take the value of the focal length. How can take the focal value of the focal length here? Hello. How will you take the value of this focal length from this given data without doing any calculation? We can't use any data, any set of data here. Ganesh Raja is there? Ganesh Raja?
Sir, yes, sir.
How will you check? How will you find the focal length?
Sir, by using mirror formula.
By?
Sir, by using mirror formula, sir.
I told that you must not use that formulas. Without using any formulas or without any calculations, you must get the value of the focal length. You must not do any calculations here. How will
R
you
by 2. R by 2.
Which is R here? Is R here? Is R here? See, set of values there. 20, 60, 24, 40, 30, 30, 40, 34, and 70, 12 is there, no? Is it correct there? So already told in the class itself, it's set which has the same values. Which has the same values here? Where the values are same for U and B is same there? Is same here?
In third one.
What is third one there?
30.
30, 30 is the distance of U and V are same, no?
Yes, sir.
Same or okay.
Yes,
Upon that is the R. That is equal to R. So R is equal to what? R is equal to
30.
what? R is equal to what is formula?
30.
What is formula?
2F.
2F.
F is equal to R by 2. F is equal to R by 2 is full number. So R is equal to that. R is equal to 30. 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. Is equal to 15. So 15 is the what is the one of focal length of the mirror. I told that it is a convex. It is a convex mirror. Okay. So you must not do even this formula also. Any formula is not here. So any formula only I said no. So don't use this formula. So already know that 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. You know, no? That is the reason there. You must write the reason there. What is the reason here? How we are finding the focal length? You must write the reason. What is the reason here? What is the reason here? What is the reason? Say the reason of you. I told that without doing the calculations, I told that you want to find the focal length. Here, already you said that 30, 30 is the same value here. So, when the object is kept at 30, okay, the object is kept at 30, okay, an object is kept at 30, image is formed as 30 centimeters. So, here, both U and V are same. So, this is the radius of curvature. 30 means this is the radius of curvature. So, R value is equal to 30. It is confirmed from the given data. From the given data. Okay, confirm the given data. Okay. It is confirmed from the given data, and then see here, by using the given data we can for all the diagram. But see here, I want one wrong data here. Among these 5 sets, one is wrong. Which is wrong? How can you find this? How can you find this? Is it wrong இருக்கீங்க?
With the mirror
Sir,
formula.
fifth one.
Fifth one is wrong. How you are wrong? Is saying that
Sir, it is 70, sir, but there is 60.
there is 60.
Sir, at first it is 20 and 60, sir. At last it is 70 and 12, sir.
What is the focal length now? What is the Darcy length diagram means? Yeah. What is the focal length? What is focal length given there? 15 and 30. You know, 15 and 30 is given there. No, the line is F2 is 15 and F2 is 30. Is this correct? Okay. Now, see here. First object எங்க இருக்கு? 20 இருக்கா? First 20 first reading 20 So the object is between F1 and 2F1 and 2F1. The object is 15. Here 20 line இருக்கு. அப்ப where is the image must be formed there? எங்க form ஆயிருக்கும் image between F1 to F1 எங்க போயிருக்கும் image?
Sir, beyond C, beyond 2F2, sir.
So what is it? Beyond 2F2 here.
Yeah.
So it is 60. So first set is correct. First set is correct. Okay.
Yes.
What is second set? Second set எங்க இருக்கு image? 24 ல இருக்கு.
That was it, sir.
24. இது வந்து
Sir,
beyond.
please repeat.
See here. First one is see. Yeah. See first one see here. 30, 15. So what is value of u here? 20.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What is radius curvature? I said 30. Focal length is what? 15. Focal length is 15.
15.
Focal length is 15. So focal 15 means I said the object now according to the given data, the object is at 20, no?
Yes, sir.
So the object is now 15 between 15 and 30. 15 and 30, no? 30 is between F1 to F1 object is between. Okay? This is 20. Because F1 is equal to 15
15.
and 2F1 is equal to 30. Okay? 2F1 is equal to 30. Okay? 2F1 is equal to 30. Is equal to 30. Okay? 2F1 is 30 means what is meaning here? The object lies between the center of curvature and the focal length. F1 to F1. Okay? Okay, correct? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, P2F1 and the F1. 2F1 and the F1. So here, this is the center. This is the center of the lens. Now, see here. When I keep the object between 2F1 and F1, where must the image must be formed there? எங்க form ஆகணும்?
Beyond 2F2.
Sir, beyond.
Yes. What is that is given here? First one என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? 60 கொடுத்திருக்கா?
Yes, sir.
60.
Yes, sir.
What is 2F2? 30.
Yes, sir.
It is 60 beyond 30.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First set correct? First set reading correct இருக்கா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second set பாருங்க. Second set பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா 24 40 24 எங்க இருக்கு? அதுவும் அதே same place வரும் before between 24 இங்க
F1 to N.
1. So அது வந்து the value is again above 40. 40 means above 30. So second also correct. What is third one? Third one is already correct because 30 is correct. Third one is correct.
Correct.
Fourth one 40 20. What is 40? 40 means beyond C. 40 means எங்க இருக்கு? 30
Beyond
beyond
2F1.
Beyond 2F.
one is the object is beyond 2F1 and where image எங்க form இருக்கணும்?
Between
Sir,
F2 and
F2 and 2F2.
24 அது full இருக்கா? 24 இருக்கா? So இது கரெக்ட்டா?
Yes, sir.
correct, sir.
Okay, next. What is last for fifth value 70 12. Is it correct? What is 70?
Sir, beyond 2F1.
Beyond 70 is also beyond 2F1. Where the image is formed, form image
Sir, between
Between center
But
and the F4.
what is value here?
sir 12.
12. So எங்க வருது பிஃபோர்ல வந்துருது இல்லையா? பிஃபோரே வந்துருது இல்லையா? So this is wrong. Last set is wrong. Why is it wrong? What is the reason here? ஏன் அங்க இருக்கீங்க?
Before F1, F2.
Because the rule is if
Yes.
the image is beyond 2f1, the object should be get at between
Yes,
C
yes.
between
Very
2f.
good. Very good. So whenever I keep the object beyond 2f1, the image must be formed between f1 and 2f1. But according to this given data, 12 is lying between f1 and optic center O. Is it correct? So it is a wrong statement. It is a wrong statement. Okay. Clear, Raju?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
doubt in this? Okay. So this is like this only. The problems will be given to you. So now using this given data, here find the program without doing any calculations, and you can also find the wrong data. So for finding wrong data, we can use this image formation diagram. Like what is position of the diagrams? Okay. Next, the last draw a diagram for any one set of these. Correct. So we are getting 4 right answers here. So out of these 4, we want to draw a diagram for anyone. Sometimes they will ask draw for a diagram for anyone, or sometimes and they will give the draw the diagram for the first question or the third question, like that they will give. Okay. Frida. Frida ma, you read in this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, doubt in this ma, doubt irukadhu.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So whenever the data it is for the concave mirror also same only. Concave mirror also or convex mirror also, we can find this focal length by using the same method. So whenever in the question paper this the data are given to you, first of all your eyes go to the values which are the same readings. That is u value and v value single same இருக்கும் அங்க போயிடும் இல்லையா? Is it correct? So if you find these values certainly there will be a data is equal. That is the proof for this sum. Without this data we cannot do the problem. இந்த டேட்டா இல்ல அப்படின்னா சம் போட முடியாது. ஸோ கண்டிப்பா ஒரு 5 or 6 ரீடிங் கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பா ஒரு ரீடிங் வந்து போத் யூ வேல்யூ அண்ட் வி வேல்யூ பி சேம் சேமா இருக்கணும். ஓகேவா? இஃப் இன் திஸ் கேஸ் ஆஃப் மிரரா இருந்தா என்ன ஆகணும்? -30 -30 இருக்கணும். -30 -30. இந்த கேஸ் ஆஃப் லென்ஸ் இருந்தா என்ன ஆகணும்? 30 30 -30 +30. ஓகேவா? ஓகேவா? புரியுதா? ஸோ அந்த டேட்டா வச்சு தான் நம்ம அந்த சென்டர் ஆஃப் கர்வேச்சர் வச்சு தான் நம்ம பண்ண சென்டர் ஆஃப் கர்வேச்சர் டேரக்டா இருக்காது. whatever is given in the data, it is not a focal length. இது focal length கிடையாது. இது வந்து focal length கிடையாது. Keep in mind, it is a radius of curvature. It is a radius of curvature தான். இதுக்கு what is the reason? When they keep the object at the radius of curvature at 2f1, the image is formed at the 2f2 on the other side of the lens. Mirror on the same side. So, simple adilla. Whenever I keep the object at center of curvature, yeah, the image is formed at the center of curvature itself, and size will be same size. இதுதான் ரீசன். திஸ் இஸ் தி ரீசன். ஸோ ஹியர் நீங்க கால்குலேஷன் பண்றது முக்கியமே கிடையாதுங்க. இட் இஸ் நாட் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஹியர் வாட் இஸ் ரீசன் தேர் பிஹைண்ட் திஸ் ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி பாயிண்ட் யூ மஸ்ட் ரைட் தி ரீசன்ஸ் ஒன்லி. கிவிங் ரீசன்ஸ் இஸ் வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஹியர். ஓகே புரியுதா?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like this only problems will ask mostly. Yeah. So keep it in mind. I thought this example sum only for you. Yeah, only one example sum. So when the question paper is given to you, you can calculate the same as using the mirrors also. இதே மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணி மிரர் கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம் நம்ம. பட் ஃபார்முலா எந்த ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ண தேவை இங்கே ஃபார்முலாவே யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. நீ ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ண அப்படின்னா மார்க் போயிடும். எதுக்குமே வந்து நீ ஃபார்முலா வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. புரியுதாமா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.